Unlock the harmony, mastering your instrument with a digital tuner. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very useful topic for all music enthusiasts and learners. Use a digital tuner. Whether you are just starting your musical journey or looking to refine your tuning skills, understanding how to use a digital tuner can significantly improve your practice sessions and performances. Let's demystify this tool and learn how it can become your best ally in achieving the perfect tune. A digital tuner is a device that detects and displays the pitch of musical notes played on an instrument. It helps musicians to accurately tune their instruments by showing whether the note is too high, sharp, too low, flat, or just right. Digital tuners come in various forms, including clip-on tuners, pedal tuners, and smartphone apps, each suited for different situations and preferences. Using a digital tuner has several benefits. Accuracy. It provides precise feedback, ensuring your instrument is perfectly in tune. Ease of use. Digital tuners are user-friendly, making them accessible to musicians of all skill levels. Versatility. They can be used with a wide range of instruments, from guitars and violins to brass and woodwind instruments. Improves ear training. Regular use helps develop your ear, enabling you to better recognize pitch discrepancies over time. 1. Turn on your tuner. Start by powering on your digital tuner. Make sure it's set to the correct mode if it has multiple tuning modes. 2. Select the correct note. If you're tuning a specific string or note, ensure the tuner is set to recognize that note. Some tuners automatically detect the note being played. 3. Play a single note. Pluck or play a single note on your instrument. For best results, ensure the environment is as quiet as possible. 4. Read the display. The tuner will show whether the note is sharp, flat, or in tune. The display often includes arrows or a needle to indicate the tuning direction. 5. Adjust your instrument. If the note is sharp, slightly loosen the string. If it's flat, tighten it. Recheck until the tuner indicates the note is in tune. 6. Repeat for all notes. Continue this process for each string or note on your instrument. Start with a clean sound. Ensure your instrument is in good condition and strings are not worn out. Use fresh batteries. For electronic tuners, always keep fresh batteries to ensure accuracy. Practice regularly. The more you tune your instrument, the quicker and more accurate you'll become. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the knowledge to use a digital tuner effectively. Remember, a well-tuned instrument is the foundation of a beautiful musical experience. We hope this video helps you in your musical journey and enhances your practice and performances. Keep experimenting, and happy tuning!